Okay, I'm in the BMW 5 Series. I'll show you a little acceleration. There's auntie here, but 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, it is a mean machine. Mean machine. We're going to shoot some more videos. So wait and watch. What's up? I have a 5 Series 530D, which is very well known as a business BMW that they call it. This is the 530D top end model. Look at those headlamps, man. These are the DRLs, which is just amazing. These are the adaptive LED headlamps. It has multiple LEDs in it, if you see under the brake, and then the headlamps also has multiple LEDs up and down for high and low beam. Fantastic kidney grille, massive grille. The air vents are open now. Pardon the fumble. It's open now because the car is hot. It's been running. This is the front camera. Huge logo, BMW logo, which is so impressive. Coming down to the air vents. This is another air vent for the brakes, and this is amazing technology which the BMW 5 Series has brought in. So it takes in air, throws it out on the brake caliper and the brake disc, takes the air from here and throws it out from here. So it is an auto cooling feature which BMW has launched, and I think it is just amazing technology on a business sedan. If you come here, these are 18-inch wheels. This is a rear wheel drive. Front wheel and the rear wheel are different sizes because it's a rear wheel drive. So look at the caliber. Look at the M Sport caliber. Unbelievable. These are ceramic and these are really, really heavy duty braking system. If you come down behind, this is again an LED brake lamp. See the BMW badging here. LED head brake lamps. It has the towing bar here, parking sensors. You see the parking camera. Amazing. This is night vision, infrared, colored display, 360-degree camera, which is just works amazing. Pardon my look. It's the humidity. Yeah, it's a beautiful design. I think they've changed quite a bit. I think 2021 they're going to launch another facelift version by the end of 2021, but then that's not going to be a major difference except the front kidney grille, which is going to be big. So it has a camera here that gives you the 360 degree on both the side mirrors. M Sport badging. This is one of the variants which is the top end diesel variant. So this price can be between 64 to 81 lakhs approximately. Let's go inside. Look at the leather. This is Napa leather. This is highly customizable. Customer gets the option to choose the color, the type of leather, the stitch. Unbelievable. It's beautiful finish. It goes all around the car. You see here, this is also leather on top. So yeah, it's a beautifully done interiors. It comes with Harman and Kardon sound system, which has about, I think, if I'm not wrong, 16 speakers with the subwoofer inbuilt. It has the memory function. If you see, there are two set of memory function that you can do. So if there are two drivers in the house, me and my wife both drive. Look at the key. It's just amazing. You can control the entire function of the car. I'll quickly show you around. Currently, the security information says that it's unsecured. That means it's unlocked. The door was open, so that's why it says open. Look at the vehicle information. It captures lights as well as light has been switched off, but the car information is on. You see the range, the mileage, the range of the fuel that is there in the car. So that's pretty handy. This is the conditioning of the car. So for example, if you're sitting at home and you really want to leave in like 15 minutes, you can control the temperature of the car, switch on the car from inside. The car will get the temperature to that particular degree in Celsius that you want. And also you can set the timer. So on Fridays, from this time to this time, the car should be on. That's just unbelievable. This is the RC parking, which is remote control parking. I think everybody knows BMW 5 Series was the first model to get this remote control parking feature. So yeah, net amazing, beautiful key, very heavy, so it helps well. Overall, I think it's a very good engine. I have done a quick drive. I'll probably take you around to show you how beautifully the car drives. I'll quickly do a quick drive with you guys. I know this video might just get long. If you see, this is a 360-degree view, and that's my wife who's jumping in the car, and I could see her. So let's go for a quick spin. Now if you see, it tells me if this is green, that means I've turned my steering. See this, it is telling me that it's green because there's nothing behind, so it's clear for me to go. And look at this, the camera is on, so it indicates that the camera is working, in progress. So yeah, that's a very handy feature. I put it on drive. Now let's quickly give it a good rev to see how this car works. If you want to wear a seatbelt. So this is a beautiful digital cluster. Now let me quickly give it a push to show you how. Oh my god, this car is unbelievable. Rear wheel drive, it lost traction. This wheels were spinning, the rear wheels. I think it is just unbelievable. I want to show you the heads-up display, how it works, and it is so clear in the sun. If you can pass me the camera, please. Thank you. Now, can you see the heads-up display? See, the speed is increasing. That's a heads-up display in the sun. It is absolutely visible. So good work, BMW. Very good work. Okay. Good fun. BMW 5 Series is, I think, one of the best business sedans that you can have. I personally feel BMWs have the best engine in the class. They are so fun to drive. They're so peppy. I personally drive an Audi, which is a Q3, but I think driving a sedan with this power is a different feel. So, yeah, I mean, I'm a car lover, crazy car lover. So, if I could afford it, I would definitely buy this. It does come with certain things which are missing, like automatic boot closing. That's missing in this segment. It's pretty common in any other brand, so that is missing. The leg room and the long wheelbase. I think 3 Series recently launched the 3 Series Grand Limo, which is what is required in India today. I mean, if you're driving a sedan, it really gets to you when you don't have leg room and you don't have space to sit. So 3 Series, good job done. I think it is just a fantastic machine, and you've just brought in the perfect mix of luxury and power. I had a 3 Series before this Q3 with me. I kept it for about 2-3 years. I think it's one of the most fun car to drive because it's rear wheel drive, 2-liter engine, fantastic power. So it was very, very, very good to drive. Run flat tires, I'm not really sure BMW, you should continue with those. India is not the place to have RFTs because 2 reasons. Number one, roads are sometimes, some places can be really, really bad for RFTs. And second aspect is the road noise. So the road noise in the cabin is quite high in RFTs. So yeah, I mean, that's probably a no for India for now. Overall, I think, guys, I had super fun. 0 to 100 in 5 point some seconds. I could not calculate that well, but Amazing, amazing, amazing car. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll quickly show you the cluster again for you to have fun. It's just unbelievable. I loved it. All right, see you on the other side.